Yeah, we are looking at this question. If the roots of the auxiliary equations are this, R1 is 4, R2 and 3 minus 5, find the corresponding ODE. So this is very straightforward. If the root of the auxiliary equation is 4, that means you are having R minus 4. Okay? If the second root and the third one is minus 5, that means you're having R plus 5, and that must be squared if they are equal to what? Equal to 0. Okay? Then the next thing to do now is to do the expansion. Expand this, which is equal to R squared plus this one times this one, 5R times 2, that's 10R. Then last one plus 5 squared, that's 25, equal to 0. You can do your expansion, this one times this one, R cubed, this one times this one, plus 10 R squared. Okay, then this one times the last one, plus 25 R. Then minus 4 times this one, that's minus 4 R squared. And again, what again? Minus 4 times plus 10, minus 40 R, and the minus 4 times 25, minus 100, equal to 0. Okay? And what I want to say is that if the another additional thing to say here is that if their root is this, that means there is this one, the expression of this is equal to 0. Okay? And this 0, so the expression must be equal to 0. So that's how you can get that root. Okay? And basically, if you look at it now, you can see this r minus 4 is 0. So from there, you can get 4. If you solve this one also, r plus 5. Okay, if you solve it, you have the repeated root equal to minus 5. Okay, so this is what we've gotten now. So this will be equal to 10r squared, any other one, minus 4r squared, that's a plus 6r squared. And then followed by 25 is your r, minus 40, that's minus 15r, and then minus 100 equal to 0. So with this now, we can turn it to the ODE, which is equal to this is the R3 third differential, and this will be plus 6 second differential, and this will be equal to minus 15 first differential, and then this is cross times this will be equal to minus 100 y equal to 0. Okay, and that's that on that question. For this question, if this is a solution for this, okay, if this is a solution for this, this implies that the auxiliary equation, uh, the auxiliary equation, equation is r equal to, don't forget this is the alpha, this is equal to 2 plus or minus this is a beta, that's 3 what? 3i. Yeah, that's all it's going to give us. If this is the solution for this, then the auxiliary equation is this. Okay, this is just one of the solutions because it's just y1. Okay, then in that case now we can begin to solve this, so I can get the a and b. We're going to solve this. So this will be equal to, can you move this on to the other side? That will be r minus 2 equal to what? Plus 3i. Okay, so how do you cancel this complex number? You can take the square of both sides. Okay, you take the square of both sides, plus minus 3i squared. Okay, so that will be equal to r minus 2 square. If you this one, that will be 9i squared. Okay, and don't forget what we said that roots minus 1 is I. If you square both sides, that means you have what? Minus 1 equal to what? I squared. So then we have r minus 2 equal to minus 9. if we ignore the plus or minus. If we ignore the plus or minus, so we just have minus 9. Okay, and this is square. If that plus or minus is ignored. Okay, and we're going to look at that later. So this will be equal to, expand this, this will be equal to r squared plus 4r plus 4. This one times this one, that's minus 2r times 2. That'll be what? Minus what? Minus 4r plus 9. Okay, minus 9 equal to 0. And this will be equal to what? R squared minus 4r. This one minus this. This one minus this. If minus 9 comes to the other side, that becomes plus. Then we have plus 30 equal to what? Equal to 0. Okay? And so that's that. So if you want to write the ODE, the ODE will just be equal to what? The ODE will just be equal to second differential minus what? Minus 4 y prime and then plus 13y equal to 0. That's the ODE. Okay, then you can correspond this to the given equation you have there. If you correspond that, attachment to first differential is A, so that means A is what? Minus 4. And then the attachment to y is B, so B is what? B is 13.